Good morning to all of you. Myself, Vikas Kumar Suman, Math Faculty, KDPS, Nagali Sakravati, Najafgarh, Nai Delhi, Certified Vedic Maths Teacher, Proprietor Brain Boost Academy, near Madan Clinic, Ranaji Enclave, Najafgarh, Nai Delhi. Today, we will discuss Ganit Prakash, Class 7, Chapter 5, Parallel and Intersecting Lines. Lines and angles have a special relationship. Let us explore and understand them. Plane surface. A flat surface on which points, line and shapes can be drawn. Example: notebook, blackboard, tabletop. Intersecting line. Two lines that meet at a point are called intersecting lines. They form a four angle. Vertically opposite angles. Angles opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angle. Property. Vertically opposite angles are equal. In this figure, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Adjacent angle. Two angles having a common vertex and a common arm are called adjacent angles. In figure BOA, 1 and 2 angle. Linear pair. A pair of adjacent angle whose non-common arms form a straight line. Property: angle 1 in the figure and angle 2 in the figure plus is equal to 180 degree. Perpendicular lines. Two lines intersecting each other at 90 degree are called perpendicular lines. They form four right angles. Symbol: one line horizontal or one line vertical. Parallel line. Two lines in the same plane that never meet even when extended are called parallel line. Symbol: examples: railway tracks, opposite edges of a notebook, window grills. Distance between parallel lines remain constant, L and M. Transversal. A line that intersects two or more lines at different points is called transversal. In figure, L and M is a parallel line and T is a transversal line. Angles formed by a transversal. Corresponding angle, they are equal. Alternate interior angle, they are equal. Co-interior same side interior angles, their sum is 180 degree. Properties: when two parallel lines are cut a transversal line, corresponding angles are equal. In figure, line segment L or M parallel and T is transversal, then form angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Alternate interior angle are equal. In figure, example, angle 3 equal to angle 6. Co-interior same side interior angles are supplementary. Example in this figure, angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Drawing parallel lines using ruler and set square. Paper folding activity. Parallel line illusions. Some lines may appear parallel but are not always verified using a rural or logical reasoning. Reasoning and problem solving. Identify different angle pairs. Find unknown angle using angle properties. Apply logical reasoning in problem solving. Important facts. Vertically opposite angle are equal. Linear pair is equal 180 degree. Perpendicular lines form 90 degree. Corresponding angles equal. Alternative interior angles equal. Co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Parallel lines never meet, however far they are extended. Real life examples: railway tracks, road lines, window grills, zebra crossing. Key symbol: parallel line, perpendicular line, angle, degree, line, L, M and N. T is transversal. Thanks. Learn, understand, apply and success. Brain Boost Academy, near Madan Clinic, Ranaji Enclave, Nangli Dairy, Najafgarh, Nai Delhi. Thank you very much.